ladies and gentlemen, for all those who were preaching, for all those who were mocking me on social media, for all those who put out memes of me on social media, for all those who are questioning why am I getting into their private space and putting out WhatsApp chats, for all those busy making all of these jokes on me, I just have one thing to say. I let my work to respond. Ladies and gentlemen, detractors and cynics, tonight facts and investigations that I have put out on the news are, each night today has spoken. Watch this before I elaborate further on why Bollywood must take note and course correct. Take a look at this package. Chat number one, and this is a chat that was deleted by Riya Chakrabarti from her phone. In case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't been doing too much according to, she says MDMA is something she's tried once. Use 4 drops in coffee, tea or water and let him sip it. The interrogation files of the Narcotics Control Bureau have named 3 biggies of the Bollywood drug mafia nexus. Name number 1, Sara Ali Khan. Name number 2, Rakul Preet Singh. And name number 3, Simone Khambata. Hello, I'm sending across the CBD oil with the Genal today. Hey, thank you. Shraddha says to Jaya Saha, then Jaya says thank you with an emoji there. Look at this. Right here in this green chat is the name with D. This is the name, ladies and gentlemen, and let me expand it some more for you. This is the WhatsApp chat that is between Deepika Padukone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, right from 25th of August, when I first put out the drug chats that exposed the drug ring that had been operating right under the nose of the most influential industry in the country and the best police force, which was compared to Scotland Yard. With proof in black and white, several B-Town apologists and A-listers targeted me, abused me, mocked me on social media. But today, I would like to tell them just one thing. You don't want to answer my questions? That's fine. You don't want to explain your actions to me? That's fine too. You don't want me to reveal why you wanted mal, weed and hash? Well, I really don't know and I have nothing to do with it. That's also fine. But now that the long arm of the law has finally caught up with you, there is no choice but to sit at the Narcotic Control Bureau's office in Mumbai for hours and hours and explain your actions to them. Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, Rakul Preet Singh, Simone Khambata, all exposed right here on the News Hour for weeks when I've been working on this investigation. And I've never put out anything without hard proof, ladies and gentlemen. You want to joke about the WhatsApp chats that I have put out? Joke about it. Make as many memes that you want to make on it. The fact is, these were part of the investigations and I was reporting these facts because it's my dharma as a journalist to put out the facts in public domain. This is not my agenda against B-Town. This is not what I want to say about B-Town. This is about what's going on, what's being investigated, who are the people who are being looked at. And each point exposed here on the News Hour with facts and with evidence. Evidence that was under the scanner with investigation agencies. Now, these people who have been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau will have to explain why they were texting and pleading desperately for drugs. In the next 3 days, all these A-listers, along with others who are part of this circuit, will be questioned and cross-questioned. Viewers, today I want to make it clear. This is not about one doobie, one incident, or a few grams of drugs. This is about busting a nefarious drug circle which is ruining the future of our country, our youngsters. They could be your children, they could be mine. They could be our nephews, nieces, brothers, sisters. But it is our next generation. This is about exposing and punishing those who are directly or indirectly responsible for Sushant Singh Rajput's death. This is about unraveling and uprooting the circle of ruin and death and ensuring that there will be no other Sushant Singh Rajput. No Rajputs will die in mysterious circumstances, not in Bollywood and not outside Bollywood, because outside Bollywood there are many who look at all of you, all of these A-listers in Bollywood as their icons, their role models. This is about them. This is about that cleanup. I don't mind if you say that there are only a few in Bollywood who do this. Fine, at least admit that there is problem. There is a problem that requires some amount of handling and cleanup. But to say, "Aisa yahan hota hi nahi," is to be in denial, and that is a denial India will not accept. Today, it's not my conscience which is unclear. Today, all of Bollywood needs to answer their conscience, and they need to answer the conscience of India, and they need to answer questions of the investigation agencies. So, ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question on the news hour tonight is, will Mal Lobby issue an apology to Times Now and to me, because I've been ridiculed and said that I'm making a mountain out of a molehill? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I was doing my job, and today, when the summons have gone out to all of the people who I have named, I rest my case. But the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Tonight, I want to introduce our panel. Rupa Ganguly, Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament; Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author; Malini Avasthi, singer and artist; Nisha Jamwal, celebrity columnist; Tarun Khanna, actor; Vikas Gupta, lawyer; Deepa Ishwar, activist; Kunika Lal, actor and advocate. But tonight, on top of the news hour, I will have Ishkaran Bhandari versus Nasir Abdullah. And Ishkaran Bhandari, I want to ask you. I want to ask you, what will they say tonight? I wasn't here to declare anybody guilty. The only thing I put out in public domain was that these were the chats that were being investigated, these are the people named, and these are the people who will be summoned for questioning. It's happened today, it's been proved right.
Navika, today, throughout the day, PR agencies were trending your name and making memes on you. So I would say my congratulations to you, because what started as an attack by an unemployed troll in India who finds work in Gulf has now developed into an entire PR attack on you. That shows you have hit the raw nerve. That shows that you are clearing the dirty, drug-infested industry, and that is why they are putting all these efforts in organizing an attack on you for merely doing what any ethical journalist should do. Unfortunately, we do not have many ethical journalists nowadays. We have movie productions where accused number one comes and says that I never did drugs. Well, unfortunately, your news came out true. NCB disagreed and the courts disagreed. That is why the person is still in jail, even though that person was not asked a second question that why is your name in all these drug things. as I said, a scripted movie interview masquerading as journalism. And now the same thing on Twitter against you. But to the substance of the thing, I will congratulate you even more, because one thing you have shown which nobody is talking about it, because the PR is saying what is the big deal about drugs? It's only consumption. If it comes out that this talent agency was doing distribution of drugs for multiple stars, and if you provide drugs to multiple stars, that distribution by the very definition of it, then that would be a very different kettle of fish, and you would have all of them in jail, because that would be a very significant thing. And last thing I would like to say here is, nobody knew what Jaya Saha would lead to. None could predict it would lead to Deepika Padukone as a part of investigation. So all these people who want to stop the investigation and are panicking, and they are panicking because they do not know what these raids or what the questions posed to Deepika Padukone or Sara Ali Khan or some of the other Bollywood stars, I forget their name, would lead to. We are in the middle of investigation. Slowly, the makeups are being wiped clean, and we are seeing the true dirty picture, जो अभी पूरी सामने आएगी, जो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है आप दिखाएंगी.
Nasir Abdullah, just a couple of days ago, you were going hammer and tongs at me, and which is fine, which is fine. Which is fine. You don't agree
No,
with
I
me.
wasn't. Please
You're
don't
most
lie.
welcome to go hammer and. You said we were sensationalizing
Show
you.
me a recording if I did that, and I will wash the dishes in your house for a week. Show me if I did that. Please don't put words into my mouth. It's very unfair and it's very unlikely of you to do that. It's
Well,
not sweet.
Nasir
Be
Abdullah,
nice.
my dishes are not dirty. It's Bollywood where
Don't
the
do
dirt
that.
needs to be clean. My dirty
Whatever.
dishes, I will wash myself.
your clothes.
Even if you are wrong,
Your
I will
family-
wash my
your
dirty
family
dishes
members'
myself.
clothes.
I
The
don't.
clothes of your
I
family
really don't want
members.
you to waste your
children,
time on
your
my
husband,
dishes.
your
Why don't
children,
you
your
clean up
husband,
the
their
dirt?
clothes.
And
I'll wash
Nasir
their clothes.
Abdullah, I want to
wash
ask
my
you.
own
I want to
clothes.
ask you.
Don't
You
put
said we
words
were
into my mouth.
sensationalizing
Don't
when we
start
put out
badly.
Deepika
Don't start
Padukone's
in an
name.
accusatory
You said,
way.
and
It does not
Rakul
suit
Preet
you.
Singh
Don't
went
behave
to
like you're the
court,
warden of
went
the
to
hard
court
jail.
raising
Be
questions
nice,
about our
be
journalism
straight.
and wanted the
Don't
court
accuse
to
me
gag
of
us.
things that
I
I
want to
haven't
ask
done.
you,
I will not be a
how
part
can
of your
you
debate.
gag
Do
the
not
truth,
say wrong
Nasir
things
Abdullah?
about me or give me proof. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. I'm not your enemy. I don't belong to any party. I'm just an Aam Aadmi. I'm an Aam Aadmi. I'm like a mango man. Call me mango man. Don't be nasty.
I'm not being nasty, sir. I'm even not making you wash my bartans.
Talk about the
Can you
issue.
wash mine?
I did not say all those things to you. So please don't say that. Go to somebody else. I don't want to answer your question.
You don't
Because
want
if
to answer
start
my
like
questions.
this
Why?
in an
Because today
accusatory
you're
way,
so
I don't
hot
like it,
that
madam.
Deepika
I'm sorry.
Padukone and
No,
Rakul Preet
you
Singh and
are
Shraddha
not.
and Sara Ali
Madam,
Khan have
you
been
are not
called by the
speaking the truth.
narcotics
You are not
control
speaking
bureau,
the
so you
truth.
don't want to
You
answer
are not
questions. How
speaking the
convenient
truth.
is that?
started-
Till yesterday you were
started-
pointing fingers at us.
started-
Today you don't want to
started
answer any of
badly.
these questions,
No,
Mr.
I
Nasir
haven't
Abdullah.
said anything
Nasir-
yet. I haven't even started.
Nasir, we
You
have had
have
one
already
mango man in
provoked me.
Robert Vadra.
You have
Please don't be a
provoked me with a
mango man now.
lie. Ask me the question. I don't know about Robert Vadra. Don't take me around
was
on a
also Aam Aadmi.
merry-go-round. I'm here to discuss Sushant Singh's death, how it happened, and what is going on now.
Why are
what
you
will
clapping
happen
like
with
this?
the drug issue. That's what I'm here for. Don't put words into my mouth. Don't talk to me. I'm not talking
The
to you.
problem is what
I'm
Bollywood
here
is
to
putting in
answer
its mouth.
Navika,
That's the
and I'm here to
problem.
speak to the
Bollywood
people of
seems
the
to be
nation.
putting a
I'm
lot of
here.
substance
The
in its
nation
mouth
wants to know.
or up its
I'm
nose.
speaking to the
That's
people
the
of the
problem.
nation.
So please,
Don't say
stop
wrong
putting
things
things up
about me.
in your mouth
It
or up
makes
your
me
nose.
very angry.
That is the
And
exact problem
I
here we are discussing.
I developed
That is why
high
we
blood
see these
pressure.
reactions.
Do not say wrong things to me. Do not. Show me the evidence. Show me the evidence. I will leave the show now. Show me
कहाँ
the
पे
evidence.
माल
if
है
it is
कहाँ
true.
पे माल
And
है
what's the
कौन
quote
सा
in your
माल है
hands? Tell me.
है या वीड है या और क्या क्या चीजें हैं वो सारी सामने आ रही
Stop
है
talking
एविडेंस
to
ये है
me.
कि
Stop
रिया
talking
जेल
to
में
me.
है
I'm not
एविडेंस ये है
listening
कि
to
लोग
you.
समन
I'm
हो
not
रहे हैं
listening to
और
you.
कितना एविडेंस चाहिए
Navika,
आपको
do you
अभी
want to start
इन्वेस्टिगेशन की स्टेज है
again? Navika, do you want to start again? Ishkaran, I don't know you. Navika, do you want to talk?
You don't have
want
to know
start
me.
again?
I don't want to
Without
know
accusing
you.
me
I am not
of
here to
having
know you or
accused
you are not here to know me. We are here to discuss the facts of the case and we are here to discuss what is happening in Bollywood and we are here to discuss what crimes are being committed. We don't have to
treat me
know
like
each
your
other.
enemy. I am not your enemy. I am not from the opposition party. I'm just a simple man who's done his bit, and I'm waiting to leave the body.
please
I don't
answer
like
the
to use
fact
the word
that
death.
you
Okay?
We are all
want
waiting to
nice
leave our bodies, Nasir Abdullah. We are all wanting to or waiting to leave our bodies at some point or the other. But Nasir Abdullah, before you leave your body, why don't you tell me? I want to ask. I want to ask.
Experiences, that is the
Ask me the
problem.
question
When you want these out-of-body experiences, that is where the problem lies.
No,
because
हाँ, जब तक बॉडी है तब तक बॉडी एक्सपीरियंस भी तो चाहिए. 1 minute. Nasir Abdullah, I want to ask you 2 questions. I want to ask you 2 pointed questions. 2 pointed questions to the mango man with a blue shirt and grey hair on my show. I want to ask you 2 questions. 2 questions. Question number 1.
Right. please.
Rakulpreet Singh went to
Please.
court, said we were lying and media should be gagged. Today, what would you say about that? Number 1. Number 2, you said we were sensationalizing Deepika and it's not a crime. And
He was
today
wrong.
she's been summoned as well. And that's the only point that we made, that these are her chats and she will be summoned.
Yeah.
Now, today, Mr. Mango Man,
Rakulpreet
what would you
Singh,
like to
whatever he
say
was,
about the fact
he
that you
lied,
were wrong with
he's
your
done so.
charges at me
Yes.
and I was right about what I was telling you about the investigation?
I never charged you. I never charged you. Never charged you. Please replay it for me. I'm happy not to be on this show. Send me the video, send me the link, and I will come back and apologize to you. I have no problem. If I made a mistake, I will apologize. I always do. So that's not the point. Don't go here. You were saying this, you were saying this. One day you were saying this. You're frightening everybody.
What?
Do what you have to. I'm
Nizam,
not here
but
to
you
support
can take
the
out the
junkies.
clip from
I'm not
the
here to support the
day when
suppliers. I'm
Deepika
not in the
Padukone's
business.
case was
I'm not
exposed here on the
supporting
news arc,
anybody.
because
I'm
Mango
understanding things.
Man,
I'm understanding
today,
things.
Nasir, can I
have
ask
been
you a
watching
question?
drugs
Nasir
dealers
Abdullah,
for
Nasir
45
Abdullah,
years.
that
I
kind
ask
of
you
a
a
memory
question.
lapse
Watching drugs
happens.
for years.
That kind of a memory lapse happens when
Yes.
some
Ask me another
people
question.
somewhere,
Ask me another
you know,
question.
take doobies
Ask me
which
another
creates the
question.
smoke and
Ask
everybody
me another
comes out and
question.
says there is
Ask
no
me another
smoke without a
question.
doobie.
Yes.
Well, I'm not alleging that you're on doobies, but I'm just
Yeah,
saying
sure.
that it happens
It's
to some
there.
people like
It is
that.
there.
To some people like that. And Dr. Anand Ranganathan was on the show that night, and I want to ask Dr. Anand Ranganathan. Dr.
I
Anand
knew Ria was
Ranganathan.
lying before the
But
CBI found out.
Nasir
I said
Abdullah,
so.
if you
I said
said it,
Ria's
take
lying
onus
before they
and
found
address
out.
the question.
I said
Why are
it.
you
I
doing
didn't
No,
say
he's
it.
clapping. What?
Why-
Dr.
It's
Anand
derailing the
Ranganathan.
whole
Dr.
show.
Anand Ranganathan.
Go on. Go on.
It's derailing
You
the
don't
whole
let
show,
me
Nasir.
speak.
If
You
you
don't
said
let me
something,
speak.
take
You
onus.
Yeah,
the
no,
guys
don't
there
worry,
for 3
don't
minutes.
worry.
Everybody else
यादें
gets
ताज़ा
3
करने
minutes.
के लिए हमारे पास
I get
clips
13
मौजूद हैं.
seconds.
We are just
That's a
getting
very
that out. I'll
shameful
play
thing
that
to
out.
do.
But
I'm
Dr.
very
Anand
ashamed of your
Ranganathan,
behavior.
today Nasir Abdullah has become Mango Man, who's forgotten that yesterday ever happened.
Navika, with due respect to Mr. Nasir Abdullah, I'm a big fan of his, but the day he starts making sense, I promise I will go to his house and not only do his dishes, but I'll cook for him also. Sambar, avial, everything, anything he asks. I'll even make Mysore Pak for him. But you know, to come back to this debate, Navika,
Right.
there are 3 issues. And I won't take more than a couple of minutes. And I want to discuss all 3, and maybe unsurprisingly, all 3 concern you, because you are the woman of the moment.
I'm only
Now the
allowed
first
30
one is, I
seconds.
must commend you for taking all the trolling, some of it good-natured as well, in your stride. I saw that you retweeted a tweet that said that WhatsApp has introduced a new feature, a 3rd tick mark every time Navika sees your message. I thought that was pretty good one. But you know, I want to demolish this kind of absurd logic that people like Mr. Nasir Abdullah and so many other panelists over the last week have been peddling. The first one is that, you know, why are you only focusing or targeting Bollywood? There are other agencies, there are other domains, fields,
Yes.
institutions where drugs have been taken. So let me demolish this logic. Let us say, of course, we know for a fact that corruption is everywhere. Now, if there is corruption found in, let's say, you know, in Bollywood, are you going to say, let us not investigate all, you know, let's first investigate all the other corruption cases, including Bollywood, let's not just target Bollywood? Or let us say a more macabre scenario, let us say there are 5 or 6 terror attacks all over India. Are you going to say that, you know, why are you only investigating one terror attack in, let's say, one city like Mumbai? Why not? Why are you leaving out 5 or 6 terror attacks? So this kind of logic just doesn't wash. catching people who have been procuring, have been trafficking, and have been consuming drugs, all three illegal activities in India, is a must. You must accept this. That is the first dictum. And point number 3, Navika, the third thing why you've been trolled is, people are saying that you've only brought out names of women, as if men don't do drugs.
No.
I mean, this is so absurd.
No.
Like saying
Dr. Anand Ranganathan, let me tell you, those who troll me probably don't realize what facts are. Madhu Mantena is a woman. Shouvik Chakravarti is a woman.
I don't know.
Dipesh Sawant, all of them are in the cooler, by the way. Siddharth Pitani, they're all in the cooler right now. ये सारी औरतें हैं? मैंने बनाया इन्हें औरतें? कौन बना रहा है इन्हें औरतें? और क्या?
They will attack you for ascribing gender now. Please don't do this. They will attack you for ascribing gender. It's a very woke world. They will attack you. How can you ascribe gender?
No, I get attacked and trolled. Nevertheless, they've really been, just like Mr. Sharad Pawar said that all agencies love him and they send him notices today. Everybody loves me on social media. They troll me.
There might be 3 or 4 men as well. No, but Navika, just to finish my point, you see, I was just trying to get at the absurd logic of it, because you might be right, there might be 3 men plus 5 women whose names have come out. But even if only women's names had come out, 4 or 5 of them, it's like flipping a coin 4 times and getting heads all times and saying tail doesn't exist. Ye kaisa logic hai? So Navika, I am very happy that you're taking all this trolling in your stride and just march on ahead.
Well, let me get in Tarun Khanna, who's an actor from Bollywood. And Tarun Khanna, I want to ask you, where was I wrong in the last 2 months when I've been working on this entire investigation, 2.5 months? I want to ask you, was I wrong on talking about the drug chats? Was I wrong in talking about the fact that these 5 names had come up? Was I wrong in stating that these people would be summoned by the investigation agencies? And was I wrong in the reality, in exposing the reality that yes, there is a lot of drugs in Bollywood, and that's all coming clean? Either they should have prayed to God that there wasn't a death like Sushant Singh Rajput, which triggered this chain reaction. And the fact is that the chats of Riya Chakravarti with Jaya Saha, the recipes of how many drugs and how many times a day to give to Sushant Singh Rajput led to Jaya Saha's conversation with Deepika, Riya Chakravarti's statements on Simone, on Rakulpreet Singh and Sara. All of these were stated, which were facts, that these are investigations and these investigations will call. Which fact am I wrong on? I'm ready to be crucified right here.
No, nobody needs to crucify you. You were right at all the counts. What I want to say about this whole thing is that there are different rules for different crimes. There are different punishments. Like if you are selling drugs, there is a different thing for that. If you are just using it for your own consumption, that's a different thing. Now the thing is that these actors who have been summoned, they are not drug peddlers. They are just consuming it for their own thing. Now, is there a provision in the law that we can arrest them? I don't think. Ishkaran knows better about that. So maybe there is a fine. But I'm asking the general public, why are these people being celebrated? We call them celebrities. Why are these people being celebrated, first of all? And secondly, Ishkaran pointed out a few days back that he gave an example of Al Capone. That Al Capone was caught for tax fraud or whatever, though he was a very big mobster, gangster. In the same way, I'll give an example of DRS, that is Decision Review System. Now, the central government or CBI is like a third umpire. When the case goes to the third umpire, so what happens is that the third umpire sees whether the ball was a no ball or not, whether the ball was pitching in line and whatever. So this thing started with Sushant's murder. Sushant's and Disha Salian's murder. Now, this is like a no-ball check. This drug case. You know, so this drug
I would
case.
like to answer this.
No.
Yeah, please, Ashkar.
So this is the NCB investigations are a no-ball?
No, it's not a no-ball. What is happening is, see, initially this was not there in the picture. But when the ball went to the umpire, when the umpire was checking it on the screen, he found out that there might have been a no ball. There might have been a fielder outside the boundary. So this thing came afterwards, and just because something
Ishkaran,
came afterwards, doesn't
convoluted
mean
cricket analogy, but answer the question.
Let me answer. Firstly, we are in the stage of investigation, so I do not know who is the consumer, who is the distributor, who is the supplier. I presume your chats will reveal it, because for a fact, nobody knew that they were consumers also. So we are in the middle of investigation. Let's hold our horses. All we say, and I think you will agree, is let the investigation play out. The attempts to shut it down, the PR attack, the mocking, they won't stop it. But that shows the agenda that you do not want to clean up the filth that is happening in Bollywood. You want to come in parliament and say, Haji mein chhed kar rahe hain because somebody said, clean up the filth of drugs in Bollywood. Please encourage the cleanup. Do not encourage the cover-up.
Well, I want to ask you, Rupa Ganguly, that Producers Guild and various other associations along with bigwigs from Bollywood came out and said that they are tarnishing the image of Bollywood. I want to ask you now that these drug chats have come out, now that these people have been summoned, why is there pin drop silence? Why no acknowledgement कि हमने जल्दी तो नहीं बोल दिया, दुनिया के सामने है जो हम बोल रहे हैं?
एक्चुअली इन सबको अपना पीठ बचाना था, इन सबको कहीं ना कहीं से एक दूसरे को पीठ थपथपाना था, इस सबसे थोड़ा सा दूर रखना था और एक आध ऐसे स्टेटमेंट करके उनको अपने आप को सेफ रखना था, क्योंकि सभी लोग जानते हैं ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत सालों से यहाँ पे चल रहा था। हम लोग जब छोटे छोटे थे उस वक्त क्या होता था, इतना न्यूज़पेपर इतना बड़ा नहीं था, सोशल मीडिया तो था ही नहीं, इतने ज़्यादा टेलीविज़न चैनल भी नहीं थे। सो सिटी पेजेस, सिटी एडिशंस न्यूज़पेपर में नहीं हुआ करता था, तो बहुत सारे खबर जो है वो दब जाते थे। लेकिन ये भी सच है कि उस ज़माने में लोग में तमीज़ बेहतर था, वो लोगों के ऊपर बात करना भी थोड़ा सा बेहतर था। मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि ये सब नहीं था, ये था लेकिन कम था, पैसे भी कम थे और ये सारी चीज़ भी कम था। अब ये सारी चीज़ बढ़ते बढ़ते हद पार करके चले गए और सुशांत सिंह राजपूत उसके मर्डर से ये सारे खुलासा ऐसा होने लगा और हम तो सारे सोशल मीडिया को आज थैंक यू करना चाहते हैं। मैं जानती हूँ आपके ऊपर बहुत ट्रोलिंग हुआ है, बहुत सारे लोगों ने गलत कहा। मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ आपको कि अलग अलग लोग जो सही बात उठाते हैं उनको अलग अलग तरीके से ट्रोलिंग, अपमान, असम्मान झेलना पड़ता है झेलना। आप सच्ची काम कर रहे हैं इसलिए झेलना पड़ रहा है, आप झेलेंगे, लेकिन सच्चाई के तह तक हम जाएंगे। और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि आज सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के घटना से हमारे पास दिशा का घटना खुलासा हुआ, रिया के बाद से पता चला वो ईडी का कहाँ से। ये सिंपल सी बात है, कोई भी क्राइम के साथ मोटिव होता है, उसके साथ जाता है फाइनेंशियल ट्रेल के बाद जाता है कि कहाँ खर्चा हुआ, उसी से ट्रैक किया जाता है। एकदम सही रास्ते पे ट्रैकिंग हो रहा है और मैं आपको ये बात कहना चाहूँगी, आप प्लीज़ शॉक मत हो जाइए। अगर ये PR मैकेनिज्म जो टीम है, जो एजेंसीज हैं जो इनको काम दिलाते, अगर आपको ये पता चलता है कि ये सिर्फ ड्रग पेडलिंग में बिजी है, ऐसा नहीं है, ये फ्लैश ट्रेडिंग में भी है, आप चौंक मत जाइएगा।
Well, Kunika Lal, that all of this was happening could have been accepted by Bollywood itself. It could have been found out by the Maharashtra government. It could have been found out by the Mumbai police, but they all didn't do it. They all didn't do it, and which is why today the entire country is saying, were they complicit? You wanted the media also to be quiet, and tomorrow you would have turned around and said, hey, Times Now, are you complicit? Is there a collusion between you and the big stars of Bollywood? Why are you not exposing? Well, this country wants transparency. One young life has been lost. Sushant Singh Rajput died. It's not only about Sushant Singh Rajput. It is about investigations and justice in this country. If it could have happened to a Sushant Singh Rajput who was so well known, it can happen to any anonymous mango man who's, you know, on the streets of Mumbai, on the streets anywhere in this country. And that's the question that has shaken the conscience of this nature. But nobody in Bollywood feels that their conscience needs to be shaken tonight, Kunika Lal?
Navika ji, my name is Kunika Sadanand. I used to be a Lal before my divorce. So I just want to correct that.
Okay, I'm sorry, Kunika Sadanand.
Yeah, the first thing is that Navika ji, I'm really pained that you had to go through this trolling. But I also feel that I'm glad that somebody like you has gone through it so that you can see the pain of the other women, because we go through it every second day, every second minute. And it's very sad that this is what happens on social media. And to any woman, any man, this is not a nice thing to happen. You're doing your job, I agree with you. But at the same time, I would like to say that, you know, you said, what was the Maharashtra government doing? I want to ask you, counter question, what was the NCB doing? Is this the first time that drugs have been discovered in this country? Do they know where this has been procured from? Isn't it their job to find out where drugs are coming into the country, interstate, international, intercountry? Where is it coming from? How is it reaching these people? Definitely Bollywood is an example, and they are people who people idolize, and it should be looked into. Nothing should be let off like this. But at the same time, I want to ask you that a few years back, Kangana Ranaut said that she used to do drugs. Okay, why did the NCB not crack down at that time? Why are we talking about what Maharashtra has not done? When it was in public domain that an actor is saying openly, I used to be a drug addict from the age of 16. And at that time, that was like 3-4 years back. And why was it not investigated then? Another thing I'd like to say, I have no problems of you calling, of the NCB calling people for investigation, but I have a problem of everybody implicating them and already crucifying them, and the way it is being done, in the sense that the WhatsApp chats that are being released or leaked out by the NCB, this is not right. Defamation of anybody, whether it's a celebrity, a common man, a mango man as you call it, anybody is not correct, because to repair that defamation, to repair that and to count,
Ishkaran Bhandari, when a crime has occurred, when there is a mysterious death, do we still talk about defamation? What about the life of the man who just had to give it up because there was all of this going? Does the curtain, does the veil of defamation privacy exist when there is a crime that has taken place? And these people talking about defamation, then I should not have exposed the Commonwealth Games scam, I should not have exposed the 2G scam, I should not have exposed the Spectrum scam of Antriksh Devas, I should not have exposed the Office of Profit scam, I should not have exposed any of these scams because it defames somebody or the other while the investigations are going on. Ishkaran Bhandari, in a criminal case, in a case of investigation, in a case of wrongdoing, what gives them the right? What gives them the right to prevent us from raising these questions, from putting out the facts in public domain? What is the role? What is the role of the Fourth Estate if not to report facts?
An agenda for Republic TV, an agenda for Kangana Ranaut.
Yes, my agenda is to bring out the truth. You have a problem with that agenda? You give me your agenda of lies, I will not let it survive in this country. Agenda of truth is 100 times better than the agenda of lies that is being run.
The law of the land must prevail, not a media trial.
Yes, ma'am, the law of the land is, the law of the land has got and has served summons to all of these A-listers.
Let's talk about the law of the land.
And I would like to tell you, I don't know what Ishkaran Bhandari is going to reply, but being a lawyer, I'd like to tell you, defamation of a person living, dead, criminal, not a criminal, is important at any stage.
Madam, I hope you felt the same thing when Riya Chakravarti said that Sushant Singh Rajput's mother had problems, his sisters had problems, and he was a druggie. I hope you had tweeted that Riya is doing defamation. But I, without looking at your tweets or Facebook, am almost certain that you wouldn't have found it defamation or you wouldn't have spoken about it. So please do not tell hypocrisy.
I
now.
did.
If you
Please
did,
read my tweets and my Facebook.
If you did, very good. Now, what is the reality in this case? Let's go step by step. What is the reality? If media had not covered, if Times Now had not covered, we probably would have not had even an investigation into Sushant Singh Rajput's case, because some people were proudly tweeting, repeat after me, one does not do suicide, depression is not a crime, or something like that. That narrative was being proudly tweeted on 14th and 15th of June as if they had investigative knowledge of what was the big event happening around them. So please let us not talk about
Mr. Bhandari, I'd like to respond to you.
Secondly, let me finish.
I'd like to respond to you, Mr. Bhandari. First of all,
please let me finish. I didn't interrupt
what
you.
the CBI was brought in for,
I didn't interrupt you.
and what the
Please let me
ED was
finish.
brought in for, it has not proved anything. It's over a month. Okay, so please don't say that whatever she was accused of, it has not been proved.
I
The
did not
investigation is
interrupt
on.
you because I am giving you the courtesy of not interrupting you. I didn't interrupt you. Let me finish. Firstly, what CBI comes out with or does not come out with, let us wait. They went to Bombay, they are Mumbai, they have come back to Delhi. AIMS report is being prepared. So if 10 days down the line or 5 days down the line they come up with a statement, you would be in a very embarrassing position. It is an ongoing investigation.
As of now,
it is an ongoing investigation. So let us wait for it.
Well, I want to get in Malini Awasthi ji and Kunika Sadanand ji. Malini ji, I want to ask you, ये आज कह रहे हैं defamation के बारे में. What about the fact that Sushant Singh Rajput was called mentally depressed? What about the fact that he was called somebody, who had many psychological problems? तब तो defamation नहीं याद आया था किसी को. एक शब्द नहीं निकला था. एक शब्द नहीं निकला था. किसी ने defend नहीं किया था. The Home Minister of Maharashtra said it. The Mumbai Police Commissioner said it. तब किसी को याद नहीं आया कि defamation शायद एक एक्टर और उसकी फैमिली का हुआ. लेकिन मालिनी अवस्थी जी, जब रकुल प्रीत सिंह when she went to court and she asked for the media to be gagged because false information involving her name was put out, at that time nobody stood up for the media. None of these people today who are coming out and talking about the defamation of the A-listers who have been summoned by NCB, तब तो इनको मीडिया का भी ख्याल नहीं आया था. मालिनी अवस्थी जी, do rules change as per, ये क्या है? In this country, is the constitution same for everybody, or you show me the person and I show you the rule?
Think about it in such a way that no person who's mentally depressed or has mental health issues
You
is going
said
to
it.
ever have the guts
Navika,
or
let
the
me
gumption
first
to come forward
compliment
again.
you
This is
and
what he
tell you,
did. He wasted a
you are an
great
epitome of a
opportunity to address this issue.
fearless journalism. You need not fear, you need not be touchy about any negative comments that you get or being trolled, because you know that you stand for the truth and that is your job. You are doing that and you are doing it brilliantly. Now let me tell you, as far as this reality that you just sunk in, it's ironical. Deepika Padukone became a brand ambassador globally for mental depression. And the very second day after Sushant Singh Rajput's unfortunate demise, she writes and she tweets about how mental health, mental illness is a reality. Now we all know where mental depression or whatever it is, it leads to drugs abuse and all kind of substance use, all kind of narcotic substance uses, which is abolished, which is illegal in India. The rule is common for everybody. So we know that all these people, I'm not sure Dia Mirza has tweeted that it is all illegal, and she has even threatened to sue the news channels who have defamed her. She is the only person who has tweeted. The other people have not even dared to come up openly, though I've learned from media, Deepika has consulted an army of 12 legal lawyers to battle her case. I would like to believe her case too. But all these people, you know, Navika, which is more serious issue, stand for a larger issue. They represent a larger issue. They are ambassadors of UNESCO, of UN, of health issues, of public health issues. And if they are, we discover that they are into drugs and into heavy substance drug uses, I think this
I
is
don't know.
very
I can't
serious
understand
because
what
this is
Malini ji,
also.
I'm sorry, but I
Okay, we'll try and connect that to you. But Kunika ji, Malini ji is saying that Deepika and other A-lister celebrities also are brand ambassadors. They are ambassadors of causes of health, public health, mental wellness. They are ambassadors of all of this. And to see such chats and the fact that they could be, once the investigations reveal more, they have been summoned for the chats where they are talking about hash, weed, mal hai kya. The questions will be asked, ये क्या role models हैं हमारी society के लिए?
Absolutely. Navika ji, I want to tell you that 33 years back I joined the film industry. हमारा माहौल उस वक्त ऐसा था कि अगर आपकी अगले दिन शूटिंग होती है तो आप पार्टी में अगर रहेंगे तो आप जल्दी, एक तो पार्टी जाते नहीं, अगर जाना पड़ता आपको तो आप ड्रिंक भी नहीं पीते हैं, बिकॉज इतना हम लोग की कमिटमेंट होती थी और तब तो बजट भी इतने बड़े नहीं होते. They have a responsibility, they are role models. It's very painful to see these people being, trashed like this or doing this kind of thing if it's proven, because we all respect and love these people.
The point here I'm trying to make is definitely these are people who are role models and they should really be, they're powerful, and with power comes responsibility, and the greater power, the greater responsibility. But the point here is that people who have taken so much time and energy and effort to build a reputation, in 3 days you're doing it without even knowing whether they're really guilty or not. Okay? I also want to let you know that according to the NDPS Act, consuming drugs as per 64A, the amendment which was done in the NDPS Act, consuming drugs is a lesser crime than trafficking or peddling.
I like your expression. Consuming drugs is a lesser crime. So are you saying lesser crime है तो उसकी तरफ मत देखो, कुछ और देख लो, कुछ और देख लो, कुछ और देख लो? Is that Nisha Jambal? Consuming drugs is a lesser crime, and whoever consumes also procures it, and whoever procures it from a source gets it from another source who's behind, who's a peddler, who's a part of a drug cartel. What are we saying? What are we saying?
You only speak.
I just want
Let me complete it. Let me complete my point. Evidence Act, as per the Evidence Act, Section 65B, as per the Evidence Act, Section 65B, you have to have corroborative evidence with
Madam, it's not my job to get it's not my job to prove the case in court. That is the job of the NCB. But the evidence of these chats and the basis on these evidences, how they have been summoned, is the place that we've reached so far. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. We are not passing a judgment. We are not declaring anybody guilty. But Nisha Jambal, if they want us to shut our eyes and look away, is that the right approach? Are they in denial?
Every question of yours is saying that they are already guilty.
My point of view is
every question is that you're saying they're already guilty.
Can we just say a word?
Claim them to be guilty.
Yes, Kunika ji, 1 minute. Nisha is trying to speak. Yeah.
Navika, my point is that when you buy into celebrity, when you accept the accolade, when you accept the adulation and the hero worship from the rest of the country, when the brickbats come for your fall, you have to accept it with as much bravado as you accepted the adulation and the love. So when you are committing to an act of consuming drugs, the onus lies upon you, because you have taken a conscious act as an adult to do something that you knew fully well is against the law, and most importantly,
absolutely. I just want to take a short break, but I am leaving you with this thought. First, they ignore you. then they laugh at you, then they fight you, and then you win. Because whatever is the whataboutry that they are doing doesn't add up to the fact that these chats did take place, drugs were being had, anybody who's consuming drugs is also procuring drugs, that it's against the law is not unknown, and not being in the full knowledge of the law is no defense in a court of law. That's where we stand today. When we come back, we ask the question on why should there be a gag? Should we not look at this issue as a socially constructive issue where we need to mend some declining trends in our society? That coming up right after this short break. Vikas Gupta, you're a lawyer and I want to ask you, what is defamation in a criminal case, and a criminal case that leads to a drug nexus of the kind that we are seeing? After all, if there are consumers, there will be suppliers. To get to the suppliers, you have to go through the consumers. Now, where does defamation figure in all of this? And when the media and when Times Now is reporting the investigation and the path that it's taking?
Namika, I will not fall in your trap of a defamation, because this whole debate for last 2 months poses a much larger and a bigger question. So I will not get into the trap of...
Why? Is it difficult for you to answer the defamation question? Do you know that you have already lost the argument on defamation?
No, I have not lost it, and I will now answer. Both Anand and Ishkaran Bhandari, you can't have a consumer and a peddler on a same pedestal. Secondly, we all know we are in the midst of an investigation. Now, what NCB, if NCB was extremely serious into getting to the bottom of the truth, they have created a circus in this whole investigation. If they really wanted to find out who the peddlers are in the industry, who are the peddlers in Mumbai, who are the kingpin who supplies from trans-border, because none of these drugs are produced or manufactured in the state of Maharashtra. They either come from overseas or they are produced in or grown in states like Madhya
अरे भैया, आपको तो पहले दिन से 14 जून से ये सर्कस ही लग रहा था, क्योंकि आपकी मुंबई पुलिस तो घुसकर वहाँ इन्वेस्टिगेट कुछ कर नहीं रही थी, लोगों को बुला दिया था क्राइम सीन पे, सर्कस ही बना दिया था आपने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मिस्टीरियस डेथ को. डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन, am I wrong? They've been treating it like a circus. When the circus got to them, they are suddenly now calling it names.
No. Navika ji, I would like to answer your question on defamation.
I hope you have noticed.
1 minute, Dr. Anand Ranganathan first.
My good friend, I did not interrupt you.
I've hardly been given an opportunity.
Yeah, thank you. Navika, very quickly, 2 points.
I get interrupted.
Have you noticed the amazing spin? The amazing spin that has been put up over the last 1 hour. People saying that peddling is not is of a different crime, intensity of crime than consumption. That they are different crimes. They are not telling you the fact that both are crimes. It's like saying culpable homicide versus homicide. It is astonishing. So that's number 1. And point number 2, very important, Navika. You are an investigative journalist belonging to a channel which is a multi-billion-dollar corporation. It is unthinkable.
Convicted for consumption.
Now, madam, why do you interrupt?
On the provision of fine itself.
I was as good looking.
Madam, please don't interrupt. I was not interrupting you. Please don't. Thank you.
Madam, why don't you represent Deepika, Rakul, if they need you, if they need you in the courts, because I'm only talking about the fact that how can consumption happen before procurement, and how can procurement happen without this coming from some part of the world which is completely illegal. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, complete attempt at obfuscation. Nasir Abdullah, I don't want to interrupt you. Nasir Abdullah, I want to ask you. 1 minute, Kunika ji. 1 minute, Kunika ji. Nasir Abdullah, I want to ask you. from where we
please don't
started,
interrupt. On a
where
lighter
we
vein, I hope
started,
this
I want to
constant
ask
heckling wasn't the
you,
reason
is
for
it
your
time
changing
for a
surname.
cleanup
I just
or
wanted
not?
to make another point.
Is it time for a cleanup or not?
I will say yes, but I will add nationwide, not just Bollywood. And I want to tell you, the last time I was on the Times Now show with Rahul, this is what I said, that Kangana has accepted
Rassi
that
jal
she was
gayi.
a junkie, and then her
Rassi
boyfriend
jal
said she
gayi,
was a
lekin phal nahi
junkie,
gaya.
and I said she should be tested. I don't have anything against her. Please keep quiet, Mr. Ranganathan. I'm not against her at all, I swear. But the point is, she needs to be examined. She has owned up. Heavy drugs,
Well,
coke and stuff.
look at the
Sheikh
arguments
Hasina's
that
son
have been
has
put
said
forth
so
on the
years
news
ago.
are tonight. The Mumbai police could have investigated the drug cartel. It didn't. The Mumbai police could have asked Kangana questions 4 years ago. It didn't. The Mumbai police and the Maharashtra government wants to go after Kangana now, when she has raised questions about others. The Mumbai police slept through the entire investigation. The Maharashtra government kept patting it on its back, but today they say this is about defamation. Today they say clean up other places, not Mumbai. Clean up everything else except Bollywood. So ladies and gentlemen, I just rest the case with you on what you think about this. When the skeletons begin to tumble out, it's not comfortable viewing, especially for those who belong to the world of dreams in Bollywood. And today, I also want to tell all those who have been trolling me just one thing. Hurt me with the truth, but never comfort me with the lie. And all the trolls who are putting memes on me, love you, go on. The more you troll me, the more I feel I'm doing something good. Get the truth out, you trolls, or rest your case. Thank you very much to my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night from me. See you tomorrow, same time, same place.